Good afternoon. We are from Team 11 and myself Shamya and my teammates are Suma, Sanjana, Saiteja, Vinit and our project name is Self-Watering Smart Pot using Node MCU. Sometimes when we go out from our home at the time we cannot water the plant and we are busy with other works. So at that time we cannot plant the water and we are forgot to water it. So plants cannot be alive at the time. It's hard to alive. Indoor plants need more water and regularly it needs water. So we came up with an solution that is self-watering smart pot using Node MCO. It is the best solution to water the plant and it is more helpful for lazy and busy persons.
In this model, the main objective is the ESP Node MCU, and we are using capacitive and 5 mini water pump in this. So the capacitive moisture sensor detects the moisture of the soil, and the water pump through water pump we will send the water from the tank to the plant, and we are using DHT11 sensor to find out the humidity and temperature around the tree. This was the connection of the system, and by this we can control the motor by using the Blink application.
The required hardware components are ESP8266, Node MCU and capacitive soil moisture and 5V mini water pump, 1 meter small hose and 7.4V battery, jumper wires, and this Node MCU is used to send and receive data. For it uses the internet connection. For giving water pump is used to give water to the plants, and common PCB is used to connections for connections, and jumper wires are used also for connections.
Coming to the existing solutions, we have few: wick irrigation system, capillary mat system, self-watering system, drip irrigation system and hydroponic system. Coming to the wick irrigation system, here it is irrigated by using a wick and a synthetic cloth which is tied to the wick, and cloth is placed into the pot. Here the wick absorbs the water and the water supplies to the synthetic cloth, and it is passed to the pot so that the pot gets the water. Whereas in the capillary mat system, here is a mat placed under the plant so that the mat is made wet, so the water slowly absorbs from the mat by the pot. Coming to the self-water containers, here a water container is taken and a pot is placed on the top of that, such that a water slowly absorbed by the pot. Coming to the drip irrigation system, here the water is supplied through the pipes with the small holes, and the water is supplied by drop. This can be mainly used for showcasing plants like what we use for in our homes for decorating. Hydroponic system. In this, the plants do not need any kind of a soil. They just grow in the water, such as lotus and onions, and somewhat we do for our project skills. And
gaps in the existing solutions: overwatering, lack of customization, dependency on electricity, maintenance and cleaning. For drip irrigation system, the initial investment is more and the tubes may damage due to the sun effect. The advantages of our project is it can prevent overwatering, underwatering, conserving water and effective usage of water. There is no need of manual watering. We can save our time and effort.
future scope. This project can be further implemented for the gardening. And by this we conclude that our project makes a vital role in the coming future generations.